Today I'm going to show you how to use the new Auto Sky Replacement tool. So with a suitable photo open with a sky like this, and maybe some objects in front of it, you simply go to Edit Sky Replacement. And it'll open up this new Sky Replacement menu and automatically detect the horizon and the different edges, even with kind of like this hair selection. And you can choose between a bunch of different preset skies. So you have your basic blue skies or cool different kinds of cloud formations, or even have rainbows and sunsets. Once you choose the sky that you want, you can also shift the edge kind of in or out. All of these tools are just to get a little bit more blend to your selection. And you can also fade in or out just to kind of fade out from the horizon, as well as adjusting the brightness and the darkness of your new sky, just so it kind of matches the other half of the image, and the temperature, so it matches the coolness or warm colors of your original other half. And you can also adjust the scale to make it bigger or smaller. But you just want to watch the edges so that they match up. You have a couple other advanced options for the blend, like multiplier screen, and again, some more adjustments on the lighting. And on the left-hand side, if you wanted to do some fine-tune brushing, you have this brush tool, and you can choose between add or subtract. So let's say I wanted to just kind of free up a little bit of that hair. I can brush out some of those segments, or brush them back in if I feel like I want more of the new sky in there. But for the most part, you saw it don't really have to touch that too much. And you can simply choose to output it to new layers or a flat duplicate layer. I'll choose new layer. And now you can see all of the sky replacement that it's done. And in this case, if you didn't want to use their sky, you could essentially drag anything in as the new sky and just use their masks. So whether that's a custom gradient in Photoshop or dragging in any other picture of a sky that you took and just using their masks that they created. So you can see all those adjustments were made are totally adjustable in their own layers once we create it. But the selection is the easiest part. Instant Sky Replacement in Photoshop. Simply edit Sky Replacement and choose it in the new update of Photoshop. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.